You don't have a paying AI client yet, and I promise it has nothing to do with your building skills. This is Keshav. He landed multiple consulting clients for $3,000 in under 1 week. The thing that changed everything for him wasn't a new AI tool. It wasn't a better portfolio. It wasn't even just learning Claude code. It was two things stacked on top of each other: a repeatable system and a personal brand that did half the selling before he ever even had to hop on a call with his client. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Claude code to find a pain point worth solving and turn it into a business in under an hour. Then I will show you how to build a personal brand on the side that makes business owners DM you instead of you chasing them. And finally, how to run a discovery call, close a client, and actually get paid, all using a system I use with over 200 plus AI business owners from 31 different countries. Yeah, the proof I have is insane. Now, before I show you the how, let me show you the receipts, because I'm not going to ask you to trust a framework that only works for me. This is Abdul. His first client was a CEO of a security company, not some small shot, but literally a CEO. This is Ben. He went from $1,000 a month to $10,000 a month in just 3 months by creating YouTube content, having a killer SaaS, and having a powerful funnel to turn his viewers into buyers. And now Tessa from Chicago. She had all the credentials being a software engineer at a performance marketing firm. She had an amazing resume, but she still couldn't get clients. The moment she added content creation and a powerful brand into the mix, she started getting AI agency and SaaS clients. So the receipts being shown in front of your face, let me show you what you're doing right now versus what actually works. So the old way is you wake up and you watch another Claude code tutorial. You build a cool demo, you post on X with 47 followers, you get 12 views and 1 like from a bot. Then you go to Upwork and you get into a bidding war with 200 people from countries that can underprice you on every job. Or you're sending hundreds of cold emails using Apollo and you get 1 reply and it's like unsubscribe. And you're just morally defeated and you feel like this market is too saturated. That's the trap that 90% of AI business owners fall under. They had the skills, they had nothing else. So instead, this is what you have to do. You have to use Claude code to validate whatever your idea is, write the offer, and build a working demo in a weekend. You post that demo to LinkedIn or X with a specific story, such as, I built a voice AI agent for dentists that books appointments after hours. Here's a demo, it cost me 40 cents per booking, DM me. 3 business owners might DM you that week, and all you have to do is close 1 of them. That's it. Obviously, this is easier said than done, and we'll get into more of how to actually do this in a bit. But the difference isn't more code, more building. It's that your personal brand became the top of the funnel and Claude code became the delivery engine. 2 systems stacked, that's the unlocked. So now here's the exact 7-step framework I want you to follow. Number 1, close the capability gap. Right now you have AI skills worth $5,000 bills, $10,000 bills, maybe even $20,000 bills. You have everything except a commercial layer on top. The gap isn't skill, the gap isn't more learning, the gap is that you've been told get good at the tech and the clients will come, which is a lie. Nobody is searching guy who knows Claude code in his apartment on Google or in his New York City studio on Wall Street. Until you accept that being good at building is a cost of entry, not the differentiator, you'll stay stuck. Builders are commodities. I'm a software engineer or an ex-software engineer. I went to college for 4 years to learn how to build, and now it's borderline useless. But this is a big identity shift you need to have. Drop the belief that 1 more tutorial will unlock the floodgates. So now the second step. This is where most people blow it. They build first, then look for someone who wants it, which is the wrong way. You need to find the pain first. Specifically, a sticky pain, something that has been a pain for businesses for many months, many years. Here are some examples of sticky pains. Roofing companies can't keep up with inbound leads. Dentists pay $40,000 a year for a front desk receptionist who answers calls. Real estate agents send the same 5 follow-up emails manually every day. Law firms spend hours summarizing case documents. E-commerce brands miss 40% of customer service tickets after hours. These are problems that have been existing for years. Solve one of them. Now, how do you actually find these with Claude code? Simply open a fresh chat, prompt it, act as a small business operations consultant, list 20 sticky operational pains that local service businesses pay people $30,000 a year to solve manually. Take the top 3, validate by calling 5 businesses in that niche. Now, you can also use regular Claude chat, but I just like to operate everything from Claude code. These exact steps I had my student Aaron follow, and he built a Reddit marketing SaaS that helps you grow your businesses via Reddit. Here he has paying users in just a matter of weeks, and all he did was post on X about every 2 days. Imagine he posted every day. The next step is to write the minimal viable offer. This is a 1-pager that defines the exact pain point, the exact target audience, the exact deliverable, the price, and the timeline. And this minimal viable offer is you explaining why your solution is the cheapest, fastest version that still solves the pain. Now, the reason I'm saying MVO and not MVP is because I don't want you to build right now. I just want you to make sure that you can write whatever you're selling on a paper and it sounds sellable. Most people skip this step and they end up building something that has no clear value prop. And you can have Claude Code generate the MVO for you. You feed it the pain that you figured out and the skill set that's required and the niche it's in, and you can tell it to write a minimum viable offer and follow this SOP right here, and boom, you'll be able to have an offer that actually speaks to your target ICP. You should repeat this process 5 times and look at all 5 offers you have and choose the best one. Now, I have worked with 200 plus AI business owners one-on-one, and one of the many things I do to help them scale their business is fix their offer right away. You'd be surprised by how important your offer is to the long-term success of your business. It's the reason Joseph was able to make $10,000 a month in just 6 weeks working with me. Now, here's the next big step that you have to pay attention to closely. You need to build a personal brand that sells for you. This is the biggest 10x move you can do as a founder in 2026. You don't do this, you won't be making a lot per month like you probably want to. Now, I want to be clear about what a personal brand actually is, because most people get this wrong. A personal brand is not posting motivational quotes. It's not AI is the future tweets. It's not your face on a banner. It's not dancing on TikTok for, I don't know, likes. A personal brand is public proof that you can solve a specific pain point for a specific ICP. ICP means ideal customer profile. That's it. You pick the niche from step 2, then you post 3 to 5 times a week on 1 or 2 platforms. I like to use LinkedIn and YouTube or Instagram, and you want your target ICP to be looking at these posts, looking at these videos, and this is making them start to understand that you are someone who can actually solve their pain. For example, people love building AI receptionists for like clinics such as dentists, but imagine you made a video clip of you working with a dentist hands-on, giving them the voice AI agent, getting a testimony out of them, posting on LinkedIn and YouTube. This creates a personal brand. This makes other dentists see you as the person who can build real voice AI agents that actually give good results to dentists, and then the likelihood of them booking a call with you versus your competitor is way higher. Personal brand is the moat. This is what's going to separate you from all the other people starting their AI agencies. This is also what's going to let you charge $5,000, $10,000 premium prices for projects that other agencies can only charge $1 or $2K for because they don't have any personal brand. And also, the more you post, the more Google will index your name, and the more people who are searching up whatever you're providing, they're gonna see your videos come up. They're gonna see your posts come up. I mean, when you search for Ritesh Verma on Google, you'll see my name everywhere. You'll see all my services because I post online. And that inbound engine will get clients coming in your pipeline while you're sleeping. Also, it's way easier to close clients who see your content first versus clients who have no idea who you are, what your business does. Now, let's put this all into practice. Let me give you a real example of how you can use Claude Code on your personal brand to get your first client. First, get Claude Code to build a free version of your offering, a simple demo. If your offer is AI receptionist for dentists, your demo is an app where any dentist can paste their FAQ and instantly see a working voice agent answer questions in real time. You build this once with Claude Code. This is literally a weekend job. Then you pin it to your profile on every platform. Every post points to it. So now your funnel looks like this. Someone scrolls past your built-in public post or your video. They click the link in the description or in your bio. They try out the product and they realize this would actually print money for their business. So they DM you or try to book a call with you. And before they even hop on the call, they're kind of already pre-sold. That's leverage. Now, the next step is while you are doing your inbound funnel creation through public posts and YouTube videos, also do some outreach. Your personal brand will also help you on the outreach game. But before you decide to send 10,000 cold emails or get in Scrape Apollo and put in instantly, I want you to attack your warm network first, because the people who know you and who are in your circle are usually the best first customers. Like your local barber, your own dentist, the gym you go to, the person who got you your house, some friends who might own gas stations, the first 200 people on your LinkedIn, yes, even your cousin works at Deloitte. Every founder that follows you already or that's in your network, you should reach out to them and try to pitch them whatever AI solution that you're thinking about. These are people who will convert more likely without you having, have to have a huge body of testimonies or a big personal brand. Now, the final step, when someone hops on a call with you, let's say your brand has done all the work and you get so many inbound leads coming on your calendar. Remember that your brand has already done 70% of the selling. Your demo is another 20%. So you really only need to clutch up on the last 10% of the call. And here's the exact structure. First, you want to diagnose. You ask 5 to 7 questions about their current process, where money's leaking, and what they've already tried. Then you want to mirror back the pain. Repeat it back in their own words, make them feel heard. Next, you want to show the demo you built for them, custom with their logo, their FAQs, their menu. Then the next step, write a proposal after the call is over to them with pricing and timeline. You do not have to discuss price on the call. In fact, I can't remember the last time I quoted someone the price on call for my AI agency. And then the easy part, you go to your IDE, you put in all your notes from the meeting, you put in the proposal, and you let Claude Code build the entire production version for you. And you can refine it over the next 3 to 7 days, and it's gonna be funny because a client will expect that this will take 3 months, but it only takes 3 to 7 days, and they're going to be shocked because businesses do not realize how easy it is to build production level solutions with Claude Code. My favorite part about all of this is that as you get more clients, your brand will build because you'll post those testimonies on some sort of public forum like YouTube or LinkedIn. You start getting referrals. That creates more content. So instead of it taking maybe 1 month to get your first client, the next client will only take you 2 more weeks. And then the next client will only take you 2 more days. And that's how Ben went from 1K a month to 10K a month in just 90 days working with me. He didn't get smarter at code. He got 1 client, post that case study on his brand, got more video testimonies, put those case studies on his website, and started creating more YouTube videos about his product. And boom, now he's at 5 figures a month in revenue. Now, Ben, Tessa, Keshav are just 3 of the 200 plus AI business owners I have helped launch and scale their AI businesses. If you want to work with me one-on-one to build a successful AI business and powerful personal brand that will land you clients without you doing much work, then click the first link in the description below. The AI economy and creator economy are the 2 biggest economies in the entire world. Take advantage.